Good evening. I imagine a few of you here are surfers, and as surfers, we care deeply about the ocean and the environment. The art installation here is called the 1000 Surfboard Graveyard. It's done by Chris Anderson in Australia, and its goal is to bring awareness to the waste and pollution associated with surfboards. Now, a surfboard's biggest contributor to waste is the foam core called the blank. This foam blank is typically made using the polymers polyurethane or polystyrene. The issue with both polyurethane and polystyrene is that they're non-renewable, they're toxic, and they're non-biodegradable. Polystyrene foam, or as you know it, styrofoam, takes over 500 years to degrade. And that's why right now in the US, our landfills are filled with over 30% polystyrene. What if we could make these foams out of a material that is biodegradable, that is renewable, and non-toxic? Even better, what if this material is something that is currently just going to waste? Every year, over 8 million tons of shrimp, crab, and lobster shell waste are produced globally. Of that 8 million tons, over 2 million of it is a biopolymer called chitin. But what is chitin? Chitin is a natural polymer called a polysaccharide. It has a chemical structure comparable to that of cellulose. So if you think of cellulose as the tiny little fibers that make up trees, well, chitin is the tiny little fibers that make up shrimp shells. Chitin is the second most abundant polysaccharide on the planet after cellulose. It's also biodegradable, renewable, and non-toxic. So with the enormous amount of chitin produced globally every year, it'd be amazing if we could use this otherwise wasted material to produce foam blanks and begin to replace these toxic polyurethane and polystyrene foams. Cruz foam has done exactly that. We take chitin from shrimp shell waste and transform it into foam. Our process is an eco-friendly process that uses only water, a small amount of salts, and a foaming agent. There are no toxic components, and the final foam is made completely out of chitin. The proof of concept shown here has comparable mechanical and structural properties to that of existing polyurethane and polystyrene foams used in surfboards today. The application opportunities for Cruz foam are immense. With further research and development, Cruz foam has the potential to go far and beyond surfboards. Thank you.